Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 days of Halloween, I am doing a comic book girl or pop art girl, and I love how it turned out and it was so easy to do. So if you need a last minute costume, this would be perfect. So I went ahead and did my foundation and everything, and I added a pink blush, and you want to add a little bit more, make it a little heavier because you are putting dots on top of it. So now I'm just filling in my brows with a black paint because I want it to look cartoony, so I want them to be pretty dark. Using that same black paint, I'm taking a smaller eyeliner brush and just making marks where expression lines are. Where I would do my bronzer, I'm drawing two lines with a liquid black eyeliner. Next, with the liquid liner, I'm drawing a tear underneath my eye. Now I'm going to fill in the tear with some blue paint and a really small paintbrush. I didn't want to put the paint in my waterline because I was afraid it would irritate my eye, so I'm using a Tarte clay liner in the shade blue to line my waterline, and this is the perfect shade. I decided not to do any eyeshadow. I'm just going to put on some dramatic false lashes. I wanted to keep this look pretty quick and easy, so now I'm just taking some mascara and coating my real lashes before I put on the false ones. Some people like to put their mascara on after. I like to do it beforehand, that way my lashes blend into the false lashes and I don't have to mess up the lashes by putting mascara on them. Most of the looks I saw on Pinterest had a red lipstick, but I wanted to make my look more pink because pink is my favorite color. So after I apply the lipstick all over, I'm actually going to use black paint and a really small paintbrush to outline my lips in black. Not gonna lie, I had to redo my lips several times. I started off using a black eyeliner and it was just not working out, so the small paintbrush and paint is what worked best for me. Now I'm just taking the other side of a paintbrush and placing white dots all over my face using white paint. You could use a different object if you wanted. There's probably one that would work better. This is just what I had handy. You could also make the dots a little bit bigger if you want, that way it won't take as long. So I'm just gonna place them all over my face, take them down my neck and a little on my chest, and that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that way you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching and I will see y'all in my next video.